Yeah guys, what's up? Bus Trial here, and today we're gonna do another what I got for my birthday. Not sure what part it is, but yeah, let's get into it. So, starting off with the first package, it is this one. I know what these are, guys. Are you ready? So just pop that there. Okay, that's just some sort of protection. So here we have an Alexander Dennis Enviro 400 MMC SK22BUF owned by Riddlers, as you can see. So yeah, here's the front. And so yeah, moving on to this one here, guys. If I can open the bastard. So yeah, guys, let's just finish unboxing this. There we go, here is the package. I did not order that, but that's just to protect it. I know what these are, guys. This is, if it will come out, this is a Marchant's Plaxton Cheetah. I'll put the exact thing in the text. So this one is YN08NXR, owned by Marchant's of Cheltenham Spa. So yeah, there it is. Moving on, we now have a Leyland Regent, AEC Regent. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'll put in the text anyway. So this one is KTJ 25C. So yeah, here is the front, as you can see. It's pretty cool. So now let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out, peeps.